Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see muted status on WhatsApp. So you have to open the WhatsApp app on the Android device or iOS. So when it's open the WhatsApp app, so you have to go to the status bar. So there is, you have to go to the scroll down in the end. So when you have to scroll down in the end, so there is, you see mute updates. So you have to open the mute updates. So there will be, you see your muted status. So I can open it, so it will be played. So if you want to see your muted status, so you have to go to the status bar and scroll down to the end, and there you will be see your muted status. So you can also unmute from there. So this is how to see muted status on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.